Okay, I am going to do a video in my daughter's room, how I organize it and what it looks like. Maybe you guys can give me some opinions on what to do. She is going to be a year old in like about 2 weeks-ish. Yep, I'm just in random clothing because I'm tired. It's been a long weekend, and so my hair is a hot mess, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna flip you guys around so I can show you guys her room. She does not have her crib in here. It's in our room because she doesn't sleep good alone. We've noticed that, but I will let you guys see everything. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start where her door is. Her door is right in here. I have a thing from when she was in the NICU. Her name. If you guys are wondering, my daughter's name is Paisley. Then I have this little thing. It's like that material. I just like the print of it. This was my grandma's hat. I'm going to shut the door because I have TV on. And I have this. It says the Lord is my shepherd. I got that in a set. Her closet doors. I'll go in her closet after I do everything else. This little bag is from Family Dollar. It's just cute and different. This little thing makes music. If you pull it down, I won't do that. These two baskets were for Easter. This was Paisley's and this was her brother's. This has like headbands that I didn't want to hang up. It has like little clips and bows, hair ties, and this one has Q-tips. Then you go right here. Sorry about the noisy car. These are pictures of her younger than what she is. She has her 1-year-old sticker up so I can remember to put it on her. Her sunglasses. This is a really good lotion. Oh, my ankle cracked. It's the 7th generation coconut care. It's pure coconut oil. It's really good on baby skin. In this little bucket I have her nail clippers, her hairbrushes, and here is all of her little hair ties. This is cute. Just happy birthday. This little thing, we found it somewhere. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it just holds her most nicer little headbands. And then down there is that thing that they run against the floor. She isn't walking yet, but her brother plays with it. That's her walker. This is her walker that she can't sit in. A little seat booster thing. These are some more pictures. Called the Paw Patrol. This is her pack and play. It's from Walmart. Sorry about the noise. There's just a sheet in there to protect the underneath. I put her in here if I'm in the shower and don't want her running around. I'll bring her in some toys and put her in here and she will play. This is her curtains. Awkward lighting. This I am selling. It's a seat that goes in the bathtub. This is a whiteboard and a chalkboard. I just have this hanging up. Some beads. Her car seat. She technically is too big for that. Her weight is too big. This little stand glass thing holds all of her knickknacks, pictures, unicorn thing that her dad painted, her little piggy banks, her little crowns, yeah. And then in here It's all of her stuffed animals packed. These are little nosy plushes in an empty basket for more toys because she'll get more on her birthday. It says Jesus on it. And it says, I can't say I love you enough, so this is your reminder. I like that. This is an empty wall. Clothes basket, a writing caterpillar. I need to get a rug. So if you guys know any cheap rugs available, I would love to know. Okay, let's give you guys a view of her closet. It is pretty packed full. I need to get her a dresser. Need to find a way to make this look a little more appealing. On the door is her smaller diaper bag, and this is from Doob or something like that right there. It's a really good diaper bag. I have her bigger diaper bag. This little thing is from Walmart. I have extra wipes, more diapers, and here is extra socks, mittens, these are knee covers, hats, her socks. Up there is, let me get in the view here. That's a hanger for the ceiling. I haven't done it yet. And this one is like stuff that we're saving from her birth. Those are games that I don't want her to get a hold of. That's to her pack and play. Over here in this basket is all of her 3T to 3T to 4T clothing. I need to go through all of her clothing and pull stuff that I'm not going to put on her, sell, you know, or give it to Salvation Army, Goodwill. This has some 3T and 4T, but it's mainly bigger, like 5T and up. All of her extra diapers. Over here is just extras. And then hangers. This is to her stroller stuff. That is for my mom. This is for another little baby when we have one. This is, I'm selling it. Extra stuffed animals. This one the stuff I'm selling or trying to, excuse me. I have blankets, swim diapers, a rain cover for her stroller. Over here is birthday stuff. That is just a bag in case she goes for a weekend away with her grandparents. This is just her extra coats, dresses, just like back there too. She has her leggings for underneath items, her swimsuit. I have her pajamas from the top shelf is all of her 12 to 18 month clothing. This is what she's wearing on her birthday. It says birthday girl. So cute. Okay. Back here is bigger shoes. Shoes that she can fit now. Cute. These are my favorite. They're little Pumas. And this is all of her pants that she can wear now on top. And this is her 2T section. Not that many as 12 and 18 month. But I also have her pajamas hung up here too. I'll give you a little glimpse again now of her whole entire room. Again, her crib is not in here. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Again, give me ideas on nursery or up soon toddler rooms, and maybe organization system for her clothing, a rug. Yes. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you guys are reminded whenever I put new videos up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. I will put them in the description box below. And any other videos you want me to do, tell me in the comments. And I hope you guys like this video. See you later.